You've ever dreamed of overcoming your biggest fears, sticking to your plans, and finally achieving your goals you've set for yourself? But at some point, there are thoughts and bad habits coming up which hold you back. What if I tell you there are a lot of science papers out there which show us the solution? It's just one easy trick. It's in your hands to use these methods in order to stick to your plans and reach your goals and even change your life.
Okay.
Everything seems to be so easy at the beginning of setting a goal. You're planning to exercise more often to reach your preferred weight. Therefore, you open your calendar, start planning a few sessions each week, and start to exercise. It's that easy, isn't it? Yes, until you decide, today it's too late for going to the gym. The next day, you don't feel right. Or after hitting heavy weights, your body hurts everywhere. And you decide to skip only one session. So you might think now, okay, that's another video that tells me I need to stick to my goals and have to be consistent. No, not at all. It doesn't matter if you skip a gym session or set up your life in the most productive way ever with morning routines, atomic habits, self-discipline, and all of that stuff. It's about your brain and a bias you might consider the next time you set your goals. Let me explain it in one science example. How long would you immerse your arms in cold water if this was an indicator for your overall health? 20? 30 seconds? Even a minute? Oh wow, 3 minutes. You're amazing. And how fast would you pull your arms out if I tell you that cold water can harm your health?
What?
Yes, I think you got it. The study of students who had to do the same shows that we readily deceive ourselves to achieve more desirable results for ourselves. If we think the cold water can harm us, we feel like we can't tolerate the cold any longer. And if we think cold tolerance means that we have a healthier heart, we hold our arms underwater as long as we can, even if we can't feel our arm anymore. This phenomenon is called self-deception. It's a process of our brain in which we stop seeing aspects of reality that contradict our beliefs or that makes us uncomfortable. We can also say we lie to ourselves or make ourselves believe something that isn't really true. A bad example of self-deception is someone who convinces herself her boyfriend loves her even though he has told her several times he wants to break up. We don't do it with bad intentions. It's simply a mechanism that helps us avoid facing painful or uncomfortable aspects of reality. That's why we make up all kinds of reasons to convince ourselves that we didn't have enough time to go to the gym. The difference between lying and self-deception is, with lies you're aware that you don't tell the truth, while with self-deception you unconsciously convince yourself that a lie is actually the truth. In other words, the self-deception person doesn't realize he is doing it. He doesn't always realize it. And that is precisely where the power of self-deception lies. What about saying to yourself, I can definitely be a gym person. You will see, it will come true. How is that possible? Well, our brain has the ability to adjust the connections between neurons if we behave differently. It has no other choice than to adjust how it works. So, what do you need to do immediately? You need to replace your old thoughts before you can achieve something new. Write down one goal you've always had but haven't achieved yet. Ask yourself, what are your innate beliefs that holds you back from achieving it? And write them down. Instead of blaming yourself, rewrite these beliefs in a positive way. That's basically the most difficult part, I promise. So for example, your goal is to lose weight. Your innate belief is, I will never stick to a strict diet, and only if I know how to use all the gym equipment, I can go to the gym shamelessly. Rewrite them to, I am capable of making simple tweaks to my lifestyle to become a healthier version of myself. That will be fun. I am capable of learning 4 easy exercises and I will become a pro in these. The next step will be to think about a positive outcome. If you stick to this plan, imagine how it would feel if you achieved your goals. Live the life you've ever wanted and play the role for a while and find out what happens. Give it a try. It's gonna be awesome. What is your belief? Share it in the comments and let the community be your accountability partner for changing your beliefs. If you want to learn more about why you need an accountability partner, click on this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.